Dear all, in this video you will be learning about two-way and three-way control of lamp and formation of truth table. What do you mean by two-way control of lamp? You are having a single bulb and you need to control the single bulb in two different positions. You can use the staircase. Consider the staircase. The same application can be used in the staircase. So such kind of wiring is also known as staircase wiring. It can be used in the bedroom also. If I talk about the three-way control of lamp, we are having three switches. Okay. The main two switches will be there. In addition to that, one more switch is also known as intermediate switch. Such kind of arrangement is known as three-way control of lamp. Three-way control of lamp is mainly used in go down. So it is also known as go down wiring. Let us study how to perform two-way and three-way control of lamp and how to form the truth table. So that is the ultimate goal of the experiment. Now let us see how to conduct the experiment. What is the major goal of the experiment? The main aim of the experiment is to control the lamp from two different points, or you can call two different positions, and you can able to verify the truth table, and also to control the lamp from three different points or places along with the formulation of truth table. That is the ultimate goal of the experiment. I think you can follow this. Now let us see the circuit diagram, the equipments required, etc. You can have an observation. What are the major equipments required for conducting the experiment? Okay. Actually, the following are the equipments which are required for conducting the experiment. We require two-way switches. The rating of the two-way switches, current rating is 5 ampere and voltage rating. Across the switch, you can able to maintain 230 volt. There are two quantities required. And we require intermediate switch for doing three-way control of lamp. Okay, so we require 5 ampere and 230 volt and quantity 1. We require any type of lamp. Let us say incandescent lamp, 230 volt and 40 watts. Only one quantity we require. And the connecting wires are also required. So these are the equipments required for conducting the experiment. Okay. Now let us familiar the circuit diagram. What about the circuit diagram? Okay. As you can able to observe, this is a circuit diagram for conducting two-way control of lamp. So we can able to see the phase and neutral terminal. And we have the fuse, maybe 5 ampere fuse we can use. And this is your connection. So this is S1 and another switch is known as S2. And this dark line indicates connection. B and E should be connected first. Later on, C and F should be connected first. First of all, from the phase you have to take a connection. It should be connected to A, point A. B and E should be connected and C and F should be connected. Thereafter, from D, you have to take a wire. It has to be connected to the first point of the lamp. From the second point of the lamp must have to neutral. It must have connected to the neutral point. Thus, connection will be completed. Now you are to familiar how to perform the connection. I'll be showing you how to perform the connection with the help of a practical demonstration. You can have an observation. You have to collect the proper equipments and you can able to start the wiring. And please observe it very carefully. So I'll be doing the connection. B and E should be connected. Later on another 2 points. Now what you can do? From the point D, it has to be connected to the first point of the lamp. The second point of the lamp should be connected to neutral point. Now you can able to operate the bulbs by using two switches, S1 and S2. Okay. So I'll be changing the position of the switches. Different positions are there. For example, if I put we can able to see S1. So this is AB and this will be DE. Okay. Then what is the condition? Now what is the position? AC. Position will be AC. AC and another position will be DF. The bulb is on condition. Like this, you can able to verify different condition. Then you can able to form the truth table. AB and D. Then what is the condition of the lamp? Lamp is on condition. Then AB and DF, bulb is off condition. Then AC and DE, bulb is at off condition. Similarly, AC and DF, bulb is at on condition. So this is a truth table, okay, corresponding to two-way control of the lamp. So just for your verification, once again you can able to see. See, I'm going to change the lamp. By using two switches. Now changing the position of the switch and noting down the condition of the lamp. So this arrangement is known as two-way control of lamp. Now I am going to discuss about how to perform three-way control of lamp. As you can able to see the circuit diagram of three-way control of lamp. Here what is the speciality? Here we are going to use one more switch that is called intermediate switch. So intermediate switches are having two position. One is known as straight connection. Okay, straight connection. You can note down this straight connection. Another type of connection is known as cross connection. There are two type of connection. Suppose if I connect PQ and RS together. So if I want to connect PQ and RS, then it is known as straight connection. On the opposite side, if I want to connect PS and QR like this, PS and QR, then it is known as cross connection. Remember, the connection, straight connection and cross connection can possible only at a time. Okay, the two type of condition never satisfy simultaneously. Separately we have to do. I think it is very clear. So first of all, we have to do straight connection. That means PQ and RS should be connected. Okay, so first of all, you have to do the connections as per the circuit diagram. And I am going to show you the demonstration. Here, from phase point, you have to take a wire. It has to be connected to A. Then B and P should be connected. Likewise, Q and E should be connected. Below side, C and R must be connected, and also S and F should be connected. Now, from the point D, you need to connect to the first point of the lamp. Second point of the lamp should be connected to neutral point. Thus, connection will be completed. Now, let us show you the demonstration. You can able to have an observation how to perform the connection of three-way control of lamp. It is very simple, but the thing is you will be having an intermediate switch as you can able to see. So you have to verify the two type of arrangement. One is straight connection, another one is cross connection. By changing the switch position, you can able to make out. While showing the demonstration, definitely you will understand. Okay. Now I am going to point out how to make out the demonstration. Please observe it carefully how to perform the connections of three-way control of lamp. Okay. So you can able to note down what are the things which are relevant for three-way control of lamp. See. So I'm going to perform the connection. First, you have to connect these 2 points. Later, parallel, you can connect these 2 points. This is your intermediate switch. You can able to see. I will point out. You can see this is your intermediate switch. Look at this. This is your intermediate switch. Okay. Let me continue. Likewise, you have to connect these 2 points. Yes. Parallelly, these 2 points also should be connected. Now, from this point, you need to connect to first point of the lamp. The second point of the lamp should be connected to neutral point. Thus, connection is completed. If I pull upside, look at this. Look at the position of the intermediate switch. Now, it is at the upside. Upside means straight connection. Okay. PQ and RS will be under contact. Let me continue. Yeah, now it is under straight connection. Now, you have to vary the position of S1 and S2. Okay, by changing the position and S1 and S2, you can able to control the lamp. The thing is, it is at a straight connection. Once it is done, you have to complete the truth table. And also, you have to pull down, then it is known as cross connection. So, you have to perform the similar operation of S1 and S2 to do the cross connection. I'm going to change the position, then you can able to note down. So, this is your straight connection and cross connection. You can able to complete the truth table. For example, you can able to see. So, for the straight connection, you know that PQ and RS are under contact, under connected. It is under connection. So you have to vary S1 and S2. See, A, B, D. What is the condition? Bulb is at on condition. Likewise, A, B, and DF. Bulb is at off condition. Then AC and D. Bulb is at off condition. Likewise, AC and DF. Bulb is at on condition. On condition, you can able to make out by using logic 1 and logic 0. And likewise, you can go ahead with the cross connection. You have to pull down the switch, then it becomes cross connection. So A, B, and D, bulb is at off condition. Then A, B, and DF, bulb is at on condition. AC and D, bulb is at on condition. And finally, AC and DF, bulb is at off condition. There are 8 set of conditions you have to verify in case of three-way control of lamp. The main application of three-way control of lamp is at large warehouses, go downs, etc. Especially in food industry where the grains are storing in a huge building, it is required. So that is the major application of three-way control of lamp. So we have performed two-way and three-way control of lamp. Now we have to make a conclusion. Okay, what is the conclusion of the experiment? So it is possible to control the lamp from two different places by two-way control of lamp we have verified. For example, staircase wiring, and you can able to use it in your bedroom as well. Likewise, you can also control the lamp from three different places, may be obtained by three-way control of lamp. Here, in addition to that, there is one switch that is called the intermediate switch. There are two positions. One is straight connection, another one is called cross connection that you are supposed to verify. Okay, so this is a conclusion of this particular experiment, one of the quite easy and convenient experiment, and it will be helpful for domestic wiring also. All engineering branches can be studied about this. You have to understand the logic, only that much. Okay, these are my references. Finally, thank you for watching this video.